Hi friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss about pop-up boxes in JavaScript. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. In JavaScript, pop-up boxes are used to display the message or notification to the users. So with the help of pop-up boxes, you can display the information or a message or notification to the users. So the pop-up boxes are generally categorized into three types in JavaScript. One is alert box, second one is a confirm box, and third one is prompt box. Now let me discuss about the alert box. In the last video I have discussed about the alert box. Let me discuss it again so that it will be very clear for you. It is used when a warning message need to be produced for the user, or I can say whenever the information or a notification you want to provide to the user, that you can do with the help of alert box. So it will provide a warning for you. Whenever you read any warning, then you will be little bit alert, right? So that's why it is calling as alert box. So it is used when a warning message or an information need to be displayed to the user. When the alert box is displayed to the user needs to read the information, or you need to click on OK button to proceed further. So if he wants to go further, he need to press the OK. So obviously he will read the information or a message which is there in the alert box. So obviously it will make sure that user is reading that warning or a information. Now let me discuss the syntax for using the alert box. So you need to use window.alert, and whatever the message you want to provide, you need to provide that message in the double quotes, and you need to end with the semicolon. So this is the generalized syntax of using the alert box in JavaScript. You need to use window.alert, and then whatever the message or information you want to display, that information you need to provide within the double quotes. Let me discuss this concept with a simple example so that it will be clear for you. Let me go to the desktop, and then I will go to the JavaScript. I will click on new and then go for the text document, and I will write popup box .html. So the file name is popup box and the extension is html. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes, I want to change it. Let me right click on popup box.html, open with notepad++. Then you can write the basic HTML program. So I will write doc type HTML. In the HTML you need to provide the HTML open tag and HTML close tag. In HTML you will have two main tags. One is the header tag and the body tag. The head tag consists of metadata, title of the web page, etc. So let me provide the title, and I will write pop-up boxes in JavaScript, and then I will close the title tag. So this will be the title for your web page, and then I will go for the body tag. The body tag is useful for you to display the information in the browser. Let me go for the script tag, because whatever the JavaScript program you want to write, that program you need to provide inside the script tag, and then I will use the type. Either I will provide it as text or JavaScript. Then I will go for the script tag. So this is the open tag and this is the close tag. Inside the open tag of script and close tag of the script, you need to write the JavaScript program. So I will write window.alert, and then I will type welcome to Parnika tutorials, and then let me end with semicolon. Let me save this program, go to the desktop JavaScript, and then I will go for popup.html, open with Google Chrome. Now you can see this page says welcome to Parnika tutorials. If you click on OK, then only you can proceed further. So this is the use of alert box. So this alert box is useful for the user to provide a warning message or a notification. If the user want to proceed further, he need to press on OK. Now let me discuss about the confirm box. This is used to get the authorization or permission from the user. Now if you delete any file, then it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete or you want to cancel, means okay or cancel. If you click on okay, the file will be deleted. If you want to observe, let me go to the downloads and I want to delete this file permanently. So what I will do, shift delete, then it is asking yes or no. If you click on yes, then the file will be permanently deleted. If you click on no, the file will not be deleted. Let me click on no, so the file has not deleted. If you click on yes, the file will be deleted permanently. So I can say that this is asking the permission from the user to permanently delete. If I click on yes, then the file has been permanently deleted. So like this, if you want to do any task, that you can do with the help of confirm box. So it is used to get the authorization or permission from the user. The user has to press OK or cancel button to proceed further. Now let me discuss the syntax of using the confirm box in JavaScript. So I will write window.confirm and then whatever the message I want to provide, I need to provide here. So the window, the W should be in lowercase. Let me use the black font so that it will be clear for you. So this is the syntax of using the confirm box in JavaScript. Let me discuss with a simple example. I will go to this popup.html and I will remove this window.alert and then I will use if condition. In the condition, I will write window.confirm. Let me write the entire program, then I will discuss it for better understanding. Confirm and I will write please press a button. So this is the text I am providing, and if the user has pressed OK, then I want to display you have pressed OK. If the user has pressed cancel, I want to display the output as you have pressed the cancel button. So to do that one, I am using the if and else. To display the output, I will use document.write and I will write a statement called you have pressed OK. And then let me end with a semicolon, close the if and then else, and I will write document.write and then I will say you have pressed cancel. Let me end with a semicolon. Let me close the else block. So you have if certain condition. If the condition is true, the statements which are there in the if block will be executed. If the condition is false, the statements which are there in the else block will be executed. If the user press OK, then the if condition will be true, then the statements which are there in the if block will be executed. If user clicks on cancel, then if condition will be false, then the statements which are there in the else block will be executed. Let me save this program, go to the browser and let me refresh it. Now you can say this page says please press a button. You have two buttons, OK and cancel. Let me click on OK. Now you can see we got an output, you have pressed OK. Let me refresh it again. Let me click on cancel. Now you can get an output as you have pressed cancel. So like this you can use the confirm boxes in JavaScript. So they are useful for taking the permission or authorization from the user. Now let me discuss about the prompt box. The prompt box is useful to get the input from the user. Now whenever you write a program, generally we ask the user to enter the input. That input we will process it and then produce the output. If you want to display the output, we have the document.write. Whatever the content you are displaying using the document.write, that content will be displayed on the browser. If you want to get the input from the user, then you have to use the prompt box. So prompt box is useful to get the input from the user. It is an alert box. In that alert box you will have some text. In the text you need to give the input, and if you want to proceed to the next stage you need to click on OK. If you does not want to give any input, you need to click on cancel. If you click on cancel button, the null value will be returned to the user. So you have to give the input and click on OK. to proceed further. If you don't want to give any input, just click on cancel. So pop-up box is useful to get the input from the user. The syntax for using the pop-up box in JavaScript is you need to write window and then you need to provide prompt, and whatever the content you want to display, that information you have to provide within the double quote. So it is window.prompt, and then if you want to say please enter your input or please enter a value, that information you need to type it here. Let me save this one, go to the notepad plus plus, and then let me write a program so that it will be very clear for you. Where name, I will ask the user to enter the name. So I will write window.prompt and I will ask the user to enter the name. Please enter the name. And then I will end with semicolon. Now whatever the input user is entering will be stored in the variable called name, and that one if I want to display, I will do with the help of document.write, and then I will write hello, and I will use the plus for concatenation, and then I will use the variable name as name, and then I will use the plus for concatenation, and I will write welcome to Parnika tutorials. Let me end with semicolon. Let me save this program, go to the browser and let me refresh it. Now it is asking the user to enter the name. So I will enter Jagadish and I will click on OK. Now you can see we got the output, hello Jagadish, welcome to Parnika tutorials. If you want that information to be displayed in a proper way, then I will use plus, and then I will use a space, and here also I will use plus, and I will provide a space, and then I will provide the plus. So hello is a string, I am concatenating with a space, name is the variable, so whatever the content is there in the variable will be displayed, that I am concatenating with a space, and then I am concatenating with welcome to Parnika tutorials. Let me save this program, go to the browser and let me refresh it. Let me write it as Ravi and I will click on OK. Now you can see the output as hello Ravi, welcome to Parnika tutorials. Like this you can use the pop-up boxes in JavaScript, like you can use the alert box, confirm box, and also the prompt box. The prompt box is useful to read the input from the user. The confirm box is useful to get the authorization or permission from the user. Alert box is useful to provide the message or warning to the user. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.